Hi students of class 1. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 5, page number 40, and the chapter name is Computer Mouse. Okay, so in 2 classes I will explain the chapter to you, and after that we are going to do the book exercise and question answer. So this week we are going to finish the chapter. The topics that we are going to do today are mouse, mouse button, mouse pointer and mouse pad. So everyone get ready with the book. Page 40, 41, 42 we are going to do today. Get ready with page 40 and take a pencil in your hand. Let us start the class. Hi students, today we will start Chapter 5, Computer Mouse. In this chapter we will learn about identify the buttons and the scroll wheel on the mouse. The different buttons and the scroll wheel of the mouse we will learn. Understand the use of each of the button and the different actions that we do using a mouse. First we have one get going over here. Now this is your homework that to be done. How many computer mouse is there that you have to count, and how many mouse is there, natural mouse is there that you have to count and write below. So this is your homework. Please do it and send it to me by today. Now you all have seen mouse in your home. I think so. May not be, but most of you have seen mouse. They has a tail and they run very fast. But you all know that this mouse carry very harmful disease. Now, this is our computer mouse. It has a tail. This is the tail, but it cannot run. This mouse can run very fast, but this mouse cannot run at all, and it does not carry any disease like this harm mouse. Okay, now in this chapter we will learn about this computer mouse. Computer mouse has buttons on it. Different buttons are there, and it is attached to the CPU box with a wire. It is attached to the CPU box with a wire. This wire, that is called the tail of the mouse. Using this wire, we attach this CPU box, attach this mouse to the CPU box. It is used, the mouse is used to draw picture and select things on the monitor. So, what is the use of computer mouse? It is used to draw picture and select things on the monitor. This is very important part. Now, who invented this computer mouse? Who invented this computer mouse? The computer mouse was invented by Douglas Engelbart and Bill English. You have to remember this name along with the spelling. Who invented the computer mouse? The computer mouse was invented by Douglas Engelbart and Bill English. You have to learn this. The computer mouse was invented by Douglas Engelbart and Bill English. Now coming to mouse button. This is the normal mouse. This is the right button. This is the middle button, and this is the left button. Repeating it once again. This is the right button. This is the middle button, and this is the left button. Now, mouse can have 2 buttons, 1, 2, and also 3 buttons, 1, 2, 3. Whenever there is 2 buttons, we have only left and right. Right and left button. But when we have 3 buttons, we have the right, middle and left button. So, mouse can be of 2 buttons or 3 buttons. When we have the 2 button mouse, it has the right and the left button. When it has the 3 button mouse, it has the right, middle and left button. Now, this is also a mouse. This mouse, we don't have 3 buttons, but instead of that we have a scroll wheel. This is the right button, this is the left button, and in middle we have the scroll wheel. This is called the scroll wheel. So how many types of mouse we learned? 2 button mouse, 3 button mouse, and the scroll wheel mouse. Now, these days mouse may not have a wire. This wire is not there in the mouse. Those mouse are called the wireless mouse. Those mouse are called the wireless mouse. See, there is no wire attached to it. Okay. So, 4 types of mouse we learned. 2 mouse button, right button, left button. 3 mouse button, right button, middle button, left button. Scroll wheel mouse has right button, left button, and a scroll wheel. And mouse without a wire is called the wireless mouse. Mouse pointer. When you move the mouse, a white arrow moves on the monitor. This is called a pointer. See, this one is called the pointer. So whenever we move the mouse, this white arrow moves on our monitor screen, and this white arrow is called the mouse pointer. When we move our mouse, this white arrow moves on the monitor. This white arrow is called the mouse pointer. Mousepad. This is called the mousepad, where the mouse is kept. So, this is called the mousepad, where the mouse is kept. To make the mouse work properly, you must place it on the mousepad. A mousepad is a thing on which the mouse is kept. The button and the wire of the mouse should always be pointed away from you. A wireless mouse can be used without a mousepad too. So, whenever it is a wired mouse, it is better to use with the mousepad. The mouse should be kept on the mousepad. If it is a wireless mouse, that time mousepad may not be needed. As we have done the 3 pages today, your homework is to read page 40, 41 and 42 at home line by line. Okay, so bye. Next class we are going to continue the explanation of the chapter, the rest of the part. Bye.